Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize bank verification for Gemini cash deposits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize bank verification for Gemini cash deposits, start by logging into your Gemini account. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main dashboard. Select payment methods from the available options. Click on Add a bank account to begin the verification process. Choose your bank from the list of supported institutions. If your bank is not listed, you can select the option to manually enter your bank details. Enter your bank's routing number and your account number accurately. Review your information for any errors before proceeding. Once verified, click on Verify Bank Account. Gemini will now initiate a micro-deposit verification. Check your bank account for small deposit amounts made by Gemini. These deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days to appear. Once you receive the deposits, return to your Gemini account. Locate the section for entering the verification amounts. Input the exact values of the micro-deposits. Submit your verification once the amounts are entered correctly. If the values match, your bank account will be successfully verified. You can now proceed with cash deposits to your Gemini account. For any issues during this process, consult the Gemini Support Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.